Welcome back, parents. My name is Katie McCauley, and I am one of Upper Darby's ELA instructional coaches. A few weeks ago, I spoke with you about figurative language. Figurative language is language that is used in an unexpected way to create a special feeling or effect within writing. We previously talked about similes and metaphors being examples of figurative language. Today, we are going to look at alliteration and personification. Alliteration is a sound device that uses the same consonant sound at the beginning of nearby words. Look at the example. Sally sent Susan some samples of soup. You can clearly hear that S sound at the beginning of all of these nearby words. This is the clue we look for when we are trying to identify examples of alliteration within poetry or other forms of text. Next, we have personification. Personification gives human-like qualities and characteristics to animals or objects, things that are not in fact human. Check out this example. The moon follows me when I walk at night. This is giving the moon a human-like quality of being able to follow someone, which we know is not true, but it sets the tone for what is happening on the street at night, where the character feels that the moon is right behind him at all times. So how can we work on these things at home? Here are a few ideas of what you can do. First, we have a seek and find. You can check out your favorite poems and books with your child. Have them search through the text to find examples of personification and alliteration and highlight them as they go. Another thing we could do is to create a poetry journal at home. Encourage your child to write their own poems. Challenge them to incorporate examples of alliteration and personification in their own writing. Another thing we could do is a figurative language matching game. Using index cards, you can write different examples of alliteration and personification down and use those cards for sorting and matching games with your child. These are just a couple of ideas for how we can get working on figurative language at home. But of course, the best thing we can do is to read with our child and to have them read to us. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you again next week.